Bio ICC paper 1998. The duct which transports urine from kidney to the urinary bladder, ureter. The endocrine gland which produces emergency hormone, adrenal medulla. The sheet of muscle between the thorax and abdomen of man, striate muscles, diaphragm. The fluid that is present inside and outside the brain, cerebrospinal fluid. The opening through which light enters the eyes, pupil. Openings on the stem through which transpiration occurs, stomata. The organ in man concerned with maintaining water balance in the body, kidney. That photosensitive pigment present in the rod cells in the retina, rhodopsin. Next, correct answer out of the four available choices. Osmosis involves diffusion of water from less concentrated solution to the more concentrated solution. Next question, transpiration pool will be maximum under which of the following conditions? Transpiration pool will be maximum under the condition open stomata, dry atmosphere and moist soil. Next question, if the rate of respiration becomes more than the rate of photosynthesis, plants will grow more vigorously because more energy will be available. Next question, which of these reactions occurs during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide is reduced and water is oxidized. Next, excretion commonly involves removal of nitrogenous waste. Next question, in mammals the corpus callosum connects to cerebral hemispheres. Next question, which one of the following is the route that a sperm follows when it leaves the testes of a mammal? Epididymis, vas deferens and urethra. Next question, which one of the following is not a function of who? Maintaining statistical health records for most countries. Next question, given below is an example of certain structures and special functional activity. For example, kidney and excretion, ribosomes and protein synthesis. On a similar pattern, fill in the blanks, ribosomes and protein synthesis, blood platelets and coagulation of blood. Next, cochlea and hearing, hydathodes and guttation, alveoli and exchange of gases. This is not there in the syllabus. Chloroplasts and photosynthesis, meninges and protection of brain, color, ribosomes and protein synthesis, blood platelets and coagulation of blood, cochlea and hearing, hydathodes and guttation, chloroplast and photosynthesis, meninges and protection of brain. Neutrophils and engulf bacteria. Choose the odd one in each of the following. Example, calyx, corolla, style, androecium, style. Next, insulin, blood sugar, adrenaline, thyroxine. Answer, blood sugar. Estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, prolactin. Larynx, pancreas, testes, ovary, larynx. Cranium, cerebrum, pons, cerebellum, cranium. Next, cell wall, plastids, large vacuole, centrosome. Cortex, pelvis, retina, medulla, retina. Trachea, bronchus, alveolus, diaphragm. Phenol, boric acid, iodine, mercurochrome, phenol. Next question. Blind spot is free of rod cells. Mane, another question is there. Trachea, bronchus. This question is not there. Phenol, boric acid, iodine, mercurochrome, phenol. Next, statement one, appropriate. Rewrite the correct matching pairs. Answer, blind spot is free of rod cells. Yellow spot is the exact center of the posterior portion of the retina. Stroma is the place for dark reaction of photosynthesis. Grana is the place for light reaction of photosynthesis. Cretinism is a condition due to lack of thyroxine in a child. Myxoedema is a condition due to under-secretion of thyroxine in an adult. Afferent neuron carries impulses towards the brain and spinal cord. Mortality is the number of deaths in a specified period of time. Next, following simplified diagram, which vessel would contain the highest concentration of amino acids and glucose soon after a meal? Hepatic vein. Which vessel begins and ends in capillaries? Portal vein. Which vessel will contain smallest number of red blood cells per unit volume of blood? Portal vein. Nana. First question is, which vessel would contain the highest concentration of amino acids and glucose soon after a meal? Hepatic vein. Which vessel would contain highest concentration of amino acids and glucose after a meal? Portal vein. Which vessel begins and ends in capillaries? Portal vein. Which vessel will contain the smallest number of red blood cells per unit volume of blood? All vessels will contain RBC as they were having what? Oh, this answer is incomplete. 1998. All vessels will contain, the question is, which vessel will contain smallest number of red blood cells per unit volume of blood. Actually, a figure has been drawn. Out of that figure, in that figure, heart, lungs, liver, gut, kidney. This simplified diagram refers to outline plan of the circulation of blood in a mammal. That in that diagram, from that diagram led to answer these questions. Actually, which vessel will contain smallest number of red blood cells per unit volume of blood? uh, all vessels will contain RBC, as they were having what? Incomplete answer. In which vessel will the blood carry the most oxyhemoglobin? Number one, pulmonary vein. Explain briefly the role of the following health aids. Antiseptics. Antiseptics are substances which prevent the growth of microorganisms. Antiseptics are substances which prevent the growth of microorganisms. For example, iodine, spirit, silver nitrate. In common usage, the antiseptic also includes some disinfectants which can be used on animate objects. For example, dilute hydrogen peroxide, Dettol, Savlon, carboxylic acid, Lysol, boric acid. Disinfectants are germicidal chemicals which also inhibit the growth of pathogens. For example, carbolic acid, boric acid, cresol, Lysol, bleaching powder, potassium permanganate. Penicillin is an antibiotic. It is the most successful antibiotic drug discovered by Alexander Fleming. It was found very effective against bacterial diseases. Sulfonamides. In 1930s, a group of chemicals known as sulfonamides were discovered which proved effective in many kinds of bacterial diseases. Sulfadiazine and sulfanilamide. Sulfanilamide. I don't know whether these questions are there in the syllabus or not. Sulfinamide are two such sulfur drugs. These are synthetic drugs and they interfere with the metabolism of bacteria which are thus killed. Ki penicillin is an antibiotic, is the most successful antibiotic drug discovered by Alexander Fleming. It was found very effective against bacterial diseases. Then sulfonamides. In 1930s, a group of chemicals known as sulfonamides were discovered which proved effective in many kinds of bacterial diseases. Sulfadiazine and sulfanilamide are two such sulfur drugs. These are synthetic drugs and they interfere with the metabolism of bacteria which are thus killed. Sulfonamides are now rarely used and that too generally in combination with antibiotics in certain ailments. Vaccines. Vaccines are preparations containing heat-killed or chemically weakened pathogens. These toxins are toxoids which when introduced in an individual, a vaccine stimulates the production of antibodies or antitoxins against the particular types of germs. Next, the following diagram represents a mammalian kidney tubule, nephron and its blood supply. Parts indicated by the guidelines 1 to 8 are as follows. U-shaped loop of Henle. Proximal convoluted tubule with blood capillaries. Bowman's capsule. So this afferent arteriole from renal artery, glomerulus, venule to renal vein, collecting tubule, distal convoluted tubule with blood capillaries. So a mammalian kidney tubule, nephron and its blood supply, parts indicated 1 to 8, it has been drawn. Study the diagram and answer the questions. Where does ultrafiltration take place? Glomerular is concerned with ultrafiltration. Which structure contains the lowest concentration of urea? Answer is given proximal convoluted tubule, but I don't know why we have written Bowman's capsule. Which structure contains the lowest concentration of urea, proximal convoluted tubule or Bowman's capsule? I don't know which one is correct. Answer given is proximal convoluted tubule, but we have written Bowman's capsule. Next question. Which structure contains the highest concentration of urea? Collecting duct. The structure normally contains lowest concentration of glucose. U-shaped loop of Henle. Which is the most water? Where is the most water reabsorbed? Proximal convoluted tubule. State the object of using this apparatus. An apparatus has been used. This experiment shows that germinating seeds give out heat as energy during respiration is detected by thermometers. Next question. Explain why a rise in temperature occurs in flask A. Mm, because the germinating seeds give out heat as energy during respiration. Next question. If 5% formalin was not used after boiling the seeds, the temperature of flask B would have risen considerably. Explain. This flask serves as a control as dead seeds do not respire and produce heat. Where were the flasks inverted? So the why were the flasks inverted? So the seeds inside the flask should completely surround the bulb of the thermometers. Next, study the diagram and indicate different parts of the surface of the brain, and these are as follows: frontal lobe of cerebrum, temporal lobe of cerebrum, occipital lobe of cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Next question. Study the diagram and answer the questions that follow. Which handicaps would result from damage to part number 3? Part number 3 মানে occipital lobe of cerebrum. Part number 3, visual damage to part number 3, visual sensation and hearing can affect. Damage to part number 4 মানে cerebellum. An individual can lose the balance of body and coordinate muscular activities. Mention one main function of each of the parts numbered 1, 2, and 5. It is concerned. 1 is frontal lobe of cerebrum, 2 is temporal lobe of cerebrum, and 5 is medulla oblongata. Frontal lobe of cerebrum concerned with thinking. Temporal lobe, না না হ্যাঁ, temporal lobe of cerebrum is concerned with memory, and medulla oblongata controls heartbeat, respiration, and blood pressure. First is frontal lobe of cerebrum is concerned with thinking. Temporal lobe of cerebrum is concerned with memory. Medulla oblongata controls heartbeat, respiration, and blood pressure. A well-watered, healthy potted plant with vegetated leaves were kept in darkness for 24 hours. It was thus set up as shown in the diagram and exposed to light for about 12 hours. At the end of the time, leaf X and leaf Y were tested for starch. Study the diagram and answer the questions that follow. Why was the plant initially kept in darkness for 24 hours? So that the process of photosynthesis can stop. What is the function of sodium hydroxide solution in the flask? The function of sodium hydroxide solution is to absorb carbon dioxide. Select the correct leaf from 5 available choices shown in the diagram A, B, C, D, E. Rewrite the correct answer by filling the appropriate letter for the questions that follow. After the starch test, leaf X would look like C. After the starch test, leaf Y would look like E. So this C and E is not possible to describe. You will have to see. C phaka pata and E is a little bit patch and phaka pata is there. So you will have to see. Next question. The experiment with leaf Y shows that photosynthesis requires the presence of certain factors. Mention one factor. The experiment with leaf Y shows that photosynthesis requires the presence of light. Next, state one function for each of the following. Ciliated epithelium lining the respiratory tract. It removes the dust particles in the respiratory passages. Ciliated epithelium lining the respiratory tract removes the dark particles in the respiratory passages. Epiglottis. The glottis is guarded by epiglottis to prevent the entry of food and water into the trachea at the time of swallowing of food. The glottis is guarded by epiglottis to prevent the entry of food and water into the trachea at the time of swallowing of food. Next, mitochondria. They are concerned with the release of energy from food, which gets stored in the form of ATP for ready use. Mitochondria is concerned with the release of energy from food, which gets stored in the form of ATP for ready use. Next, skin. Skin excretes water and salt as sweat. Medulla oblongata controls heartbeat, respiration, and blood pressure. Medulla oblongata controls heartbeat, respiration, and blood pressure. The following diagram represents a plant cell after being placed in a strong sugar solution. Cell wall, strong sugar solution, uh, protoplasm, large vacuole, nucleus. A picture has been drawn in which these parts have been labeled. Cell wall, strong sugar solution, protoplasm, large vacuole, nucleus. Next, what is the state of the cell shown in the diagram? Plasmolized cell. Name the structure which acts as a selectively permeable membrane, plasma membrane. If the cell has been placed in distilled water instead of strong sugar solution, which feature would not have been present? The space between the cell one and the if the cell had been placed in distilled water instead of strong sugar solution, the space between cell wall and plasma membrane would not have been present. Next, if the cell in the diagram possessed chloroplasts, where would these be present? Protoplasm. Next question, name any one feature of the plant cell which is not present in animal cell. Large vacuole. The diagram shows, next, a diagram shows the capillary bed in an organ of a mammalian body. Some of the blood arriving in the capillaries at points labeled A moves out into the spaces between the tissue cells. Study the diagram, answer the questions that follow. When the liquid from the blood is surrounding the cells, what is it located? Interstitial fluid. Name one important component of the blood which remains inside the capillaries and fails to move out into the spaces. RBC. Some of the liquid surrounding the cells does not pass directly into the blood but eventually reaches it by another route through vessel X. Name the fluid present in vessel X. Lymph. Next question. State two important functions performed in our body by the fluid present in vessel X. The drainage, it drains away extra tissue fluid and metabolites and returns protein to the blood from tissue spaces. Absorption, fats from the intestine are absorbed to lymphatics, মানে lacteals located in the interstitial villi. Intestinal villi. Next, answer the questions that follows. Name the endocrine cells present in pancreas, islet of Langerhans. Name two hormones secreted by the above mentioned cell, insulin and glucagon. Mention one main function in each of the hormone level 1. In 2, mane insulin. Insulin lowers the blood glucose level. Glucagon raises the blood glucose level. Next, a figure is given: uterus, fallopian tube, ovary, vagina. Give appropriate terms for each of the following. The onset of reproductive phase in a young female. Menstrual phase. Rupture of follicle and release of ovum from the ovary. Ovulation phase. Monthly discharge of blood and disintegrated tissues in human female. Menstrual cycle. Process of fusion of ovum and sperm. Fertilization. Fixing of developing zygote on the uterine wall. Implantation. Differentiate between members of each of the following pairs with reference to the phrases in the brackets. Osmosis, movement of water molecules from its lower concentration to higher concentration. Diffusion, movement of solvent molecules from its higher concentration to lower concentration. Next, myopia and hypermetropia, cause of defect. Myopia, defect of vision in which distant objects are not seen clearly. Hypometropia, defect of vision in which nearby objects are not seen clearly. Next, glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Glycolysis, cytoplasm, Krebs cycle, mitochondria. Artery and vein, direction of blood flow. Artery carries oxygenated blood from heart to different organs in the body. A vein collects impure but deoxygenated blood from different organs to the body and brings it back to the heart. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Next, aerobic respiration. The end products of aerobic respiration are CO2 and H2O. Anaerobic respiration. The end products of anaerobic respiration are CO2 and ethyl alcohol. Next question. Question paper 1997. ICC 1997 biopaper. Name the following: a pollutant which reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of blood. Carbon monoxide. A male reproductive cells of mammals, spermatozoa. Next question: sheet of muscles between the thorax and abdomen of mammals. Striped muscles, diaphragm. The element required for clotting of blood in man, thrombin. The tube that leads from ovary to uterus, fallopian tube. The openings found in under surface of dorsiventral leaves, stomata. Tissue concerned with upward conduction of water in plants, xylem. Condition of cells in which cell contents are sunken, flaccid. Next question. The part of the eye responsible for change in the size of pupil is the ciliary muscles. The process by which molecules distributed themselves evenly within the space they occupy is termed as diffusion. The ultimate end parts of the respiratory system in man are alveoli. This question is no more in the syllabus. The organization, this is also not there. The blood vessels leaving the left ventricle of the mammalian heart is the dorsal aorta. The ear something in contact with the oval window of the inner ear is the malleus. The ear ossicle. Can it be ear ossicle? Actually, this word is not visible. In contact with oval window of the inner ear is the malleus. Next question. Mention if the following statements are true or false. Pregnancy in women can be prevented by the method of vasectomy. False. Tubectomy. Cones are the receptor cells in the retina of eye sensitive to dim light. Rods are the receptor cells in the retina of the eye sensitive to dim light. Now I am reading the correct ones. Pregnancy in women can be prevented by the method of tubectomy. Rods are the receptor cells in the retina of the eye sensitive to dim light. The unit of light absorbed by the chlorophyll during photosynthesis is photon. Next one is DDT is a disinfectant. Lungs of man are protected by pleura. The part of the ear associated with balance is the semicircular canal. Next, the diagram given below represents certain organs in the abdominal region of man. Label parts labeled 1 to 7. First one is kidney, then ureter, then urinary bladder, then vas deferens, then prostate, then testes, then scrotum. Kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, vas deferens, prostate gland, testes, and scrotum. Next question. This one is urinogenital system. Name the organ systems shown in the diagram. Urinogenital systems. Next, name the three parts other than those marked which are clearly seen in the diagram. Adrenal gland is also marked, penis is marked, and urethra is marked. Given below is the diagram of a bean root. What term is given to the part marked X? Root nodule. What does it contain? Nitrogen fixation bacteria such as Azobacter, Clostridium. Next question. What significant role is played by the structure named in question above in the soil? Briefly discuss below. The structure plays its role. The structure mentioned plays an important role in nitrogen fixation. The nitrogen fixing bacteria pick up gaseous nitrogen from atmosphere and combine it chemically with hydrogen to form ammonia. Ammonia reacts with organic acids to produce amino acids. Amino acids condensed during the synthesis of protein. N2 gives NH3. N2H2 gives NH3, organic acids, amino acids, then proteins. The bacteria in the nodule living symbiotically in the roots are capable of absorbing molecular nitrogen and converting it into amino acids. Neither of them can do this alone. Next question. With the death of the plant, these are returned to the soil. The nitrifying bacteria converts them into nitrates. Thus, a crop of leguminous plant increases the fertility of the soil. Question is, what term is given to the part marked X? Root nodule, what does it contain? Nitrogen fixation bacteria such as Azobacter and Clostridium. Next, what significant role is played by the structure named in the question number 2? Mane nitrogen fixing bacteria such as Azobacter and Clostridium, what role they play? What role do they play in the above soil? Briefly discuss how the structure plays the role. The structure mentioned plays an important role in nitrogen fixation. The nitrogen fixing bacteria pick up gaseous nitrogen from atmosphere and combine with chemically with hydrogen to form ammonia. Ammonia reacts with organic acids to produce amino acids. Amino acids contains during synthesis of proteins. The bacteria in the nodule living symbiotically in the roots are capable of absorbing molecular nitrogen and converting it into amino acids. Neither of them can do it alone. Next, what happens to the above mentioned structure when the plant dies? When with the death of plant, these are returned to the soil. The nitrifying bacteria converts them into nitrates. Thus, a crop of leguminous plants increases the fertility of the soil. Next, give one point of difference between any of the three pairs on the basis of what is indicated in the brackets. Sensory and motor neuron function. Sensory neuron conveys the impulse from a receptor to the main nervous system, but the motor neuron carries the impulse from main nervous system to an effector, mane muscle or gland. Next, blood and leaf composition. Blood is red and consists of fluid part and cellular part formed of elements corpuscles. Lymph is a colorless fluid. Name next, monocot, dicot and monocot stem. Arrangement of vascular bundles. In dicot stems, vascular bundles are arranged in a ring, but in monocot stem, it is scattered in the ground tissue. Next, inspired and expired air. This is not there in the syllabus anymore. Ureter and urethra function. Ureter is the tube leading from kidney to urinary bladder. Urethra is the tube draining the urinary bladder. Next, the diagram given below represents the spinal cord of a mammal seen in the in a transverse section together with nerve. Study the same and then answer the questions that follow. Level the parts 1 to 8. White matter, gray matter, dorsal root, dorsal ganglion, sensory neuron, spinal nerve, synapse. White matter, gray matter, dorsal root, dorsal ganglion, sensory neuron, spinal nerve, synapse. What do the arrows indicate? What is the pathway indicated termed? Arrows indicate the direction of impulse. Pathways indicated is termed as nerve pathway. What type of nerve is shown in the diagram? Spinal nerve. Next question. Complete the following table. Epiglottis, location in front of glottis. Function, guards the opening of glottis and prevents the food from entering neuron. Okay. Epiglottis, location in front of the glottis. Function, guards the opening of glottis and prevents the food from entering it when swallowing. Next, eustachian tube, location in between the middle ear and pharynx. Function, it maintains the air pressure of the middle ear cavity at equilibrium with atmospheric pressure. Next, structure is chordae tendineae. Location in the ventricular wall. Function, they hold the flaps of the valves in position and prevent their overturning. They hold the flaps of the valve in position and prevent their overturning. Nephron, location in the cortex and medulla. Function, nephron performs the function of ultrafiltration, reabsorption and tubular secretion. Next, structure is organ of Corti. Location in the internal ear along the length of cochlea is a basilar membrane in which organ of Corti is present. Function, it acts as sound reception system. Next, draw a neat level diagram of the apparatus you would set up to show that oxygen is given out during photosynthesis. A figure has been drawn. A beaker is there, an inverted test tube is there, water is there, a plant hydrilla is there, sunlight, gas, inverted funnel is there. Give the overall equation to represent the process of photosynthesis. 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Above the arrow, light energy. Below the arrow, chlorophyll. Next, write briefly as indicated in the brackets one of the following. Myopia, symptom and cause. In this condition, near vision is clear while distant vision is blurred. Cause, in myopia, image of distant object is formed in front of the retina. This happens when the eyeball is too elongated. This can also happen when the eye lens is too convex. Next, penicillin, source and function. Penicillin, the magic antibiotic produced from a fungus known as Penicillium notatum by Alexander Fleming in 1929. Function, as an antibiotic, it kills the harmful pathogens and used as a miracle medicine. Red blood corpuscles, origin and function. Red cells are produced chiefly in the bone marrow of long bones. Red cells are produced in liver and spleen, also in embryo. Function, RBCs carry oxygen and carbon dioxide, helps to maintain the acid base balance. Next, they help to maintain acid base balance. Okay, penicillin, source and function. Penicillin, the magic antibiotic produced from a fungus known as Penicillium notatum. Next, function, as an Penicillium notatum by Alexander Fleming in 1929. Next question. Next, as an antibiotic, penicillin kills the harmful pathogens and used as miracle medicine. Next question. Red blood corpuscles, origin and function. Red cells are produced chiefly in the bone marrow of long bones. Red cells are produced in liver and spleen and also in embryo. Function, RBCs carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. They help to maintain acid base balance. Next, they help to maintain the viscosity of blood. Various pigments are derived from hemoglobin after the key of the red cells, for example, bilirubin, bilivardin, etc. Bilirubin, bilivardin, these are there in digestive system, I think. Anyway, tympanum, location and function. Location, tympanum is a thin membranous present between external and internal middle ear. The thin membranous tissue as located between the external and middle ear. Function, sound waves from outside cause the tympanum. Actually, this answers ki tympanum to vibrate, which ultimately transmitted across the middle ear and produces sound. Function of tympanum, location and function. This location and function of tympanum is not very nicely visible. You need to check it from somewhere else. Mitochondria, structure and function. Mitochondria is a double membrane structure, the inner membrane of which is thrown into folds known as cristae and studded with small key oxysomes. The inner cavity is filled with matrix. Function, mitochondria, the sites of cellular respiration and so the powerhouse of the cell and is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Figure below shows an experiment performed. Study the diagram and answer the questions that follow. What is the aim of the experiment? Our test tube is there. A bit small, very small beaker is there. What is the chemical equation for the process? The answer is draw a neat level diagram of the apparatus as it would appear after 24 hours. The soak seeds used in the experiment have their seed coats removed. Give a reason for the same. Ever answers. The aim of the experiment is to demonstrate anaerobic respiration. The chemical equation for the process mentioned is C6H12O6 gives 262H5OH plus 2CO2 plus 2 ATP. C6H12O6 gives 2C2OH plus 2CO2 plus 2 ATP. And 2C2H5OH is ethanol. Next, I have draw the picture, but the diagram has been again drawn as it would appear after 24 hours. That inverted test tube and a very small beaker, oxygen, seeds and mercury is there. Next, rate of respiration is more spectacular without seed coat. কি বললো কোয়েশ্চেনটা কি ছিল? The soaked seeds used in the experiment have their seed coats removed. Give a reason for the same. um, Rate of respiration is more spectacular without seed coat. Next, answer briefly the following questions. Why are capillaries thin walled? With their wall, diffusion takes place more conveniently in capillaries. Next question. Mention two functions of the choroid coat in the eye. Choroid layer with many capillaries forms the nutritive layer of the eye. The extended choroid layer forms the pigmented muscular curtain called the iris. The aperture in the center of the curtain through which light enters the aperture is called pupil. Next, mention two functions of the choroid coat in the eye. The interval of time between fertilization. Why are capillaries thin walled? With their walls, diffusion takes place more conveniently in capillaries. Mention two functions of choroid coat in the eye. Choroid layer with many capillaries forms the nutritive layer of the eye. The extended choroid layer forms the pigmented muscular curtain called the iris. The aperture in the center of the curtain through which the light enters the aperture is called the pupil. Next question. What is mean by gestation period? The interval of time between the fertilization and birth is called gestation period. What is the effect of shivering? The effect of shivering is the rate of risk or rise of rate of heat production. Or choroid layer with two functions of choroid coat in the eye. Choroid layer with many capillaries forms the nutritive layer of the eye. The extended choroid layer forms the pigmented muscular curtain called iris. The aperture in the center of the curtain through which light enters the aperture is called pupil. What is the effect of shivering? The effect of shivering is the rise of rate of heat production. What is meant by photolysis of water? Photolysis of water means breakdown of water into molecules, mean H plus OH minus. What is meant by photolysis of water? Photolysis means photo means light, lysis means breaking up. Next, name the blood vessels marked 1 to 8. Pulmonary vein, dorsal aorta, hepatic portal vein, renal artery, renal vein, hepatic vein, postcaval vein, মানে inferior vena cava and pulmonary artery. तो pulmonary vein, dorsal aorta, hepatic portal vein, renal artery, renal vein, hepatic vein, postcaval vein, মানে inferior vena cava আর pulmonary artery. Next, left auricle receives blood from pulmonary vein. Right ventricle pumps blood into the blood vessel that is pulmonary artery. Blood vessel that is post caval vein by inferior vena cava is a vein with inner muscular walls and wider lumen with valves. Next, dorsal aorta is an artery with thick muscular walls, a narrow lumen and without valves. Next, define transpiration. Transpiration is a process of loss of water in the form of water vapor from the internal tissues of the aerial parts of the plant, such as leaves, green shoot, etc. Describe an experiment to prove that transpiration occurs more from the undersurface of the dorsiventral leaves. Experiment showing the transpiration occurs more from undersurface of dorsiventral leaves. To prove that the two leaf surfaces have unequal rate of transpiration. Method. The unequal rate of transpiration can be demonstrated by using Cobalt chloride paper. Cobalt chloride paper is blue when dry, but in contact with moisture it turns pink. This can be easily demonstrated by blowing into a cobalt chloride paper. Two square pieces of dry cobalt chloride paper of equal sizes are fixed securely on both the sides of a dorsiventral leaf by means of glass slides and clips. Vaseline is applied on the edges of the cobalt chloride paper so that the leaf is airtight. This setup is left for 15 to 20 minutes. Observation: it is observed that the cobalt chloride paper on the lower side of the leaf turns pink earlier also, and also the color is deeper than the upper side. It clearly indicates that the rate of transpiration is higher on the lower surface of the leaf. The lower surface transpires more than the upper one, as stomata as more in number on the lower surface. Upper one, as stomata are more in number on the lower surface. Next, experiment to demonstrate unequal transpiration from the two surfaces of the leaves. Next, question number 6. The figure below is the structure of a cell. Level the parts A to I as indicated by guidelines. A, cell wall. B, cell membrane. C, cytoplasm. D, mitochondria. E, ribosome. F, nucleus. G, endoplasmic reticulum. H, nucleolus. I, vacuole. I repeat: A, cell wall. Next, cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, ribosome, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleolus, and vacuole. It is a plant cell or animal cell. Give one reason to support your answer. It is a plant cell because it has got a cell wall. Is the cell shown turgid or flaccid? The cell shown here is turgid. Next, give appropriate terms for the following: a membrane that surrounds the fetus and secretes a protective fluid, amniotic membrane. Next, protective covering of the brain and spinal cord, meninges. A statistical study of human population, census. Substances that are applied to the surroundings where germs thrive and multiply, disinfectant. The inward movement of solvent molecules through the plasma membrane of a cell, osmosis. Loss of water in the form of droplets from the margin of the leaf, transpiration. Adjustment of the eye in order to obtain a clear vision of objects at different distances, adaptation. The small amount of inhaled air in the respiratory tract that does not take part in gaseous exchange, tidal air. Next, explain briefly the idea contained in the five of the following statements. Oxygen given out during photosynthesis comes from water as a result of photolysis. Oxygen given out during photosynthesis comes out from water as a result of photolysis. In photolysis, H2O splits into H plus OH minus ions. The OH minus ions produce some water and gaseous oxygen and give out electrons. O4OH minus gives 4OH plus 4E minus electrons. 4OH gives 2H2 plus O2. The need to limit the size of the family is more vital today than even before. Give two reasons. The need, the answer. The need to limit the size of the family is more vital today than even before because due to the growth in population every year, the country has to spend more on food, clothing, housing just to maintain the same standard of living as before. A larger population produces more wastes, causing pollution and upsetting the ecological balance, and overpopulation upsets the balance of nature, making life more difficult. Root hairs become flaccid when fertilizers are added to the moist soil around it. When fertilizers are added to the moist soil around the root hair, it becomes flaccid and the concentration of the fluid around it more, which cause plasmolysis in the root hair cells. Next, a transplanting of seedlings to a flower bed in the evening is better than doing so in the morning. Transplantation of seedlings in flower bed in the evening is better as following evening the temperature goes down and moisture of the atmosphere helps the seedling to get attached after its root become turgid and pushes the into the soil. Next, in summer, urine is slightly thicker than in winter. In summer, urine is slightly thicker than in winter. As in summer, due to perspiration, a good amount of water is released from the body as sweat. In sweat production, the sweat glands absorb water from surrounding blood vessels. As a result, the blood becomes thicker and more concentrated with solutes. To maintain the concentration and fluidity of the blood, the water absorbed into the blood by osmosis from renal tubules in the kidney. Hence, less urine is formed and urination is less frequent, or also the urine is much thicker. Next, man can live without food for a number of days, but he cannot survive without oxygen for more than a few minutes. Man can live without food for a number of days, but he cannot survive without oxygen for more than a few minutes, as oxygen is the main instrument for chemical breakdown of sugar and fat by which human body derives energy. Without energy, body cells die in short time, ranging from 3 minutes to a few more minutes. Next, environmental pollution is a recent problem. Do you agree? Give reason to support your answer. Environmental pollution is a recent problem. Yes, I do agree. The reasons are ever increasing population causing environmental pollution, which is more acute now. Deforestation with the growth of urbanization, cutting of trees is also a problem of recent times.